Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Satlayer on Binance Alpha. So Satlayer or SLAY, just get this on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, it's very easy. I will show you how in this video. So first, you can open your Binance apps. Make sure you have signed in. After that, go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search SLAY. Search it, and you will find SLAY. In alpha you can click it, this one, and yeah, this is the chart. So the chart is not looking good. I think you can do your own research. This is not financial advice. You can check the details here in the top. You will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. Also you can check their website or their social media. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order. You can put the price here, up to you, and then the amount here. Also you can choose instant. You can just swap your token, USDC or other token, to SLAY. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.